Hello everybody! Today we're going to be making original Squeem. Yes, I said original. In the brown porridge video, hopscotch was correct. I did tread on Squeem after I finished recording one of the videos. So we've made a new one and he's looking pretty cute, yeah. But today we're going to be making original Squeem. I'm going to say now, if you hear any noises that sound a bit like banging or anything, it's just the microphone I'm using. Without the microphone you wouldn't be able to hear me at all. So that's just so you know what that sound is, and let's get straight into it. The colours you will need are white for the eyes, green for the body, and black for the pupils and mouth. To start off with, you will need to get a piece of green clay about the size of your palm, the middle of your palm, not like all of it, and roll it into a ball, then roll it very gently like that to make a kind of, I don't know what a 3D oval's called. I'm just going to say 3D oval. So it's a bit like this. Now you'll need to get another piece of clay and roll it out on your mat until you get a long snake shape. Now you'll need to divide it into equal quarters. Now you can make a leg shape by scrunching it up and modelling it into the shape that you want it to be. Now you can attach these legs to the underneath of your Squeem by putting them where you want them to be and then smoothing it down with the bottom of your finger. If, when you turn him over, the legs are too long or misshapen, like mine are, you can always tinker away at them and cut off parts that are too long. Now you can get your white clay, roll it into a long shape like we did with the legs, and cut it into two. Now you can roll the white into an eye shape. Now you can get a tiny piece of black clay and roll it out and cut it and take off just enough for a mouth. Now you can use the rest of your black clay to roll again like we've done before, cut into two and make a pupil shape. For the crown you can do anything that you like. I'm not going to be doing the same as the original because I think I would run out of time. So all I'm going to do is roll out a little thing, don't know what it's called, and hoop it there. There he is. Beautiful, most beautiful crown I've ever seen. So here's our little Squeem, and that's it for the video. So bye!
Oh, look, a camera. Squeem! Why wasn't I involved, you filthy little beast?